Want a screaming good deal on a custom RV rental? I'm selling Big Red for dirt cheap, and I need it gone by the end of the year. I'm Chris Jube, the glamping guy, helping landowners develop safe, legal, and profitable accommodations on their private property. And for the past couple years, I've owned and operated a custom RV that Wendy and I have called Big Red, and it's been a big pain in the big tushki. Not performance-wise, it has been one of our best. So here's the story. As you likely know, I run Monument Glamping here in Monument, Colorado. And back in the day, I had only tents. But I stumbled across this beautiful custom RV built by a custom tiny home builder, and I picked it up in 2022. I had the understanding that I could easily swap it out for one of my tents. And it turned out to be a big public hearing and all that. I don't want to bore you with the story, but needless to say, I won the battle, but there was a compromise in the end that was to get rid of Big Red, because it was too big. And it has to go out by December 31st. Now, I opened up the sale at $89,000, and I think it's that nice, but no avail. So I have dropped the price to $59,000. A real steal, and the rental data shows that it is a great deal. Here's a report for Big Red from July to August. The year's not over yet. I sold 97 nights with a total revenue of just over $15,000 and cleaning fees of $3,171. That's $15,000 in net revenue, and the year's not even over yet. Here's how it did in 2022 when I acquired it. We set it up in May. From May to December, we sold 148 total nights, total revenue of $22,000, and total cleaning fees of $5,530. So analyze the data like an investor would. Since its launch in May 2023, Big Red has sold 245 nights and brought in about $37,000 in revenue over the past 16 months. That's an average of $2,300 a month in revenue, which is a great indicator of how profitable this glamping unit can be. Now, let's say you're looking to invest in Big Red for $59,000. Based on its current performance, the annual revenue is around $28,000. That means your cash-on-cash return, or how much revenue you're getting back compared to your investment, comes out to be a whopping 47%. To put it simply, for every dollar you invest, you're seeing about 47 cents back each year. That's a really strong return, especially in this type of hospitality business. And even better, with that kind of performance, you'd be able to recoup the entire investment in just 2 years. After that, it's essentially profit. So if you're considering a big investment like the Big Red, the numbers show it's a solid opportunity with real potential for high returns. So what do you say? Do we have a deal? I would love to bless a glamping enthusiast with the Big Red, or someone who wants to take advantage of the new ADU laws that are sweeping the nation. My contact information is below, and I hope to hear from you soon. I should mention I'm not open to creative financing or keeping the unit on my property. Like I said, I need the unit off the property by the end of the year. And the mañana is needed so that I could put one of my bougie containers up in its place. Also, my wonderful son-in-law, who helped move the Big Red to my property, is also open to be contracted to move it to your property. Hope to hear from you soon. The Big Red, I hope, is a big blessing to you. You take care.